In this video, I'll show you how to get the Robinhood Cash Card debit card using the mobile app. The Robinhood Cash Card gives eligible users access to a debit card connected to their spending or cash management account. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner to open your account menu. After that, look for a section called Cash Card, Spending Account, or Cash Management depending on your app version. Tap on it to continue. If you're eligible for the Robinhood Cash Card, you should see an option to apply or request the card. Tap the button to begin the setup process. Robinhood may ask you to confirm your personal information, including your mailing address, because the physical debit card will be shipped there. Carefully review your details and update anything that is incorrect before continuing. Next, follow the instructions on the screen and agree to any required terms and conditions. In some cases, Robinhood may also let you customize the appearance of your cash card before ordering it. Once the request is submitted, Robinhood will process the application and provide an estimated delivery time for the physical card. While waiting for the card to arrive, you may also receive access to a virtual card that can be used for online purchases or added to mobile wallets if available. After receiving the card, return to the Cash Card section inside the app to activate it and begin using it for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and spending directly from your Robinhood cash balance. If you do not see the Cash Card option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and check whether the feature is available for your account and region. And that's how you can get the Robinhood Cash Card debit card. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple app tutorials.